St. Louis. Coming to you from behind the wheel of a 2013 Morgan three-wheeler. We actually acquired this car late last year from the original owners out of Utah, who purchased it just before Christmas 2012 from one of America's largest Morgan dealers, Morgan West of Santa Monica, California. To date, she's only traveled just under 5,300 miles under its own power. Perhaps the most celebrated version of the three-wheeler is the example that was sold just prior to World War II, featuring a Peugeot 2-cylinder V-Twin motorcycle engine, steerable front wheels and fenders, with a single drive wheel in the back. In 2011, Morgan came out with this version, which pays tribute to the original. This modern interpretation of the three-wheeler was manufactured between 2011 and 2021. When it was first shown at a European auto show, Morgan was flooded with orders, both at home and here in the United States. The production vehicle features a 2-liter V-Twin by legendary motorcycle engine builders S&S, mated to a modified Mazda Miata 5-speed gearbox with reverse, and a final belt drive in the back. These things are so much fun to drive and really are a callback to what made the original three-wheeler great nearly 100 years ago. Now, the original owner of this car decided to add some personal touches, including having the front wire wheels removed and powder-coated in red. Additional optional appointments include this beautiful diamond-weaved leather interior, these engine-turned aluminum dash inserts, and this stunning 4-spoke Motolita cross-drilled wood-rimmed steering wheel with quick-release hub. Makes entry and exit that much more easier. It's alive. The three-wheeler here had not ran in a period of about 3, maybe 4 years. And we brought it in, evaluated it, and noted that the fuel flex hoses were very deteriorated. Out of a measure of safety and precaution, we replaced all of them with fuel-injected rated hose clamps, as this engine is electronically fuel-injected. Service work and